Hey team, what's going on? It has been a spell since I did a painting video. And speaking of spell, this is of course this year's spooky Halloween painting. Yay, what fun! So follow along. Well, you know, my name is Gregory, and a lot to do. Drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're gonna have us a big ol' spooky tree in the foreground in Dracula's mansion. Hello, Greg! Hello, bro! Are you home, bro? Hey, did you mention me? Jeez, not this guy again. God! Oh, come on, bro, open the window! It is overcast, but the sun could peek out and give me the scissors. Come on, bro, be a friend, bro. Jack! What the heck, man? What are you doing flying up to my window? Use the door and knock, man. Damn. Seriously, bro. Invite me in, please. Before I am seen. Before the sun. Whoa. Pump the brakes, pal. Last time, you got the villagers all crazy and stabby with their dang pitchforks, and then you hooked up with the were-wah-wah and brought her here. I'm trying to paint, man. You are a distraction. Bro, come on, just invite me in, man. I can explain everything. Trust me. It will be different this time, I promise. Ugh. Fine. Come on, hurry up. So, why didn't you just come to the front door?
Dracula, bad!
Dude, is that for you? How am I to know? I cannot see through the door. Don't open it, bro. Okay, yes, probably yes is for me. Maybe, but don't open it, bro. I promise you, you don't want this one, man. Okay? Come on, man. Who is that?
Dracula, bad!
Holy crap! Is that Frankenstein's monster? What's his name? Herbert. Right. You messed with Herbert? No, bro. Are you crazy?
Dracula, bad!
It was his wife. What? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? What happened? Explain yourself. So there I was, hanging out, cruising the street, seeing what is going down on the street. As you know, I am a very nefarious guy. You know, very sexy vampire. And the chicks respond to my conference in velour pantsuit and cape. Yes, very nice. And she comes up to me. Oh, hey, Draki, baby. Batting those horrible, evil eyes at me. The horror I beheld as she undressed me with the hungry eyes. She was all like, "You've been flying wicked circles through my brain all day." My God, man, have you seen her head? It was driving me batty. I can't help myself. So I'm like, well, why not, man? There are perks to being the Prince of Darkness, you know. Well, that's when things went south. In walks Herbert, and he is not having it. Apparently, even though I'm a very sexy vampire, I am known as a dog in the community. She knew this and wanted to make Herbert the freaking monster jealous. Well, maybe he will be jealous later. Right now, all he feels is anger and hate towards me, Dracula. I have done nothing, mostly. Trust me, bro. I have seen this before.
Me no go away! Me see bad Dracula come
I don't
this
think
way.
he's leaving, man. Do not open the door. Are you crazy? Do not hear me. Go and hide. I'll turn the lights off and I'll tell him you aren't here. Now, go. Oh, bro. Thanks, bro. I owe you one, man. Oh, bro. Thanks, bro. Hello?
You see bad man come this way? Him dressed in stupid ghost outfit. Like it not 21st century.
Yeah, I've seen him, big guy. I think he went that way.
Dracula, bad!
Yeah, I know.
Dracula, bad!
I hear you.
Bad Dracula!
Herbert, if that guy worked for me, I would fire him.
Fire? Fire bad!
Herbert!
Fire
Dude,
bad!
chill out, man! What the heck?
Fire bad!
Calm down! Come on, bro!
Me no see. Me open window to let sun
Wait,
in.
don't. The scissors! Oh, the scissors!
Dracula
Oh,
bad!
come on, guys! Guys, come on! Let's go! Aye! Oh, God!
Good?
No, the scissors bad! Hey, now, that is it! Y'all better get out of here now! Go on now! But the sun! Wear a hat! It'll go great with that weird suit and is that velour? You know it, bro. Come on, Herbert, you too. Get a gettin'.
Okay.
So long, Greg. Spooky tree painting. I like very much.
Me too. Dracula bad! Dracula bad! Dracula bad! Dracula.
Well, never a dull moment down here at the studio. And you know what? I think that's all for today. Come on back next time and let's finish up this here spooky Halloween painting together. Gee, I sure hope nothing crazy happens. Yeah. Till then, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.